Hello, friends. How is everyone? Today, I want to share something with you that is perhaps very important for all of us in today's fast paced life. Often, we get so caught up in our daily routines that we forget what we truly depend on. Electricity bills, rising food prices, water scarcity, these things keep us in a state of quiet worry. Today, I'm not reviewing a gadget or any ordinary item, but rather an idea that completely changed my perspective. I'm talking about a digital book called The Self-Sufficient Backyard. Now, before I go any further, I want to give you a very important warning. If you are thinking of checking this out, please make sure you only get it from its official website. The internet is full of incomplete PDFs and fake versions that don't include the actual maps and plans that are truly useful. To help you out, I have provided the link to the official website in the description and in the first comment below. Now, let's talk about why this book caught my attention. Look, most of us think that being self sufficient means you need to own a huge plot of land or that you have to leave the city and go live in the woods somewhere. Honestly, for people like us, that's just not possible. But the most special thing about the self sufficient backyard is that it's made for ordinary people who maybe just have a small backyard or a tiny piece of land. Even if you live in an apartment, there's still a lot in it for you. Its entire philosophy is based on one idea. To be free, you don't need acres of land, you just need the right system. This isn't some theoretical book. It's written by people who have lived this way of life for the past 40 years. It explains how you can turn a small space into a source of food, water, and energy. Just think about it. A person needs only about 10-20 square feet of space to meet their food needs if it's planned correctly. When I read that, my mind was blown. Think about how much space we waste. This guide shows you step by step how you can store rainwater, how you can preserve food without electricity, and how you can grow your own medicines in your garden. It talks about 7 specific plants that can become your pharmacy in any difficult time. What I liked the most was the section on solar and power. They don't tell you to buy expensive setups, but instead show you very cheap and ingenious jugaad methods that last for years. As I was reading it, I realized how much we are overpaying for so many things: electricity, water, repairs, and even the food we buy from the market. This book isn't just about survival, it's about a peaceful life and confidence. It teaches you that even when things in the outside world are out of your control, your home can remain a safe fortress for you. If you are even a little bit concerned about your independence, like I am, then this could be a great investment for you. You don't need to start everything at once. You can begin with just one small step. In the end, I'll just say this: the feeling of self-sufficiency is greater than any comfort in the world. If you found this information helpful, please do share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Review Bank so we can keep bringing you such insightful content and useful things. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and take that first step towards freedom.